Wait, this is not just another AI video generator. The best thing about this platform is that you can get multiple AI generators in one place. Yeah. Instead of jumping between different websites for different AI models, you can access everything from single platform, including Seedance 2.5 and other popular AI video generators. And the crazy part, you can actually try these powerful models without paying an expensive subscription. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find Seedance 2.5, how to use it, and how to get started for free. So don't skip this one, because this could be your new all-in-one AI video creation platform. So let's get started. Simply go to the Google, write Dropshot AI. This website will appear and you can log in using Google or Gmail account. For the first time, when you will create an account, you will get 600 credits. Yeah, these 600 credits you can use for your video creation. On this platform, you can see multiple AI video generators, including Seedance 2.5, VO, Kling, One, Grow, a lot. On home page, you can see multiple options, but here I will choose the generate video. Then I will choose the AI model. In the list, you can see there are multiple models. I will choose Seedance 2.5. Then we can upload the one reference video here, or we can upload 30 images here. For this demo, I will choose random ChatGPT prompt. Copy prompt, paste here, and then choose other options of the video like aspect ratio, duration, etc. Then click generate. In few seconds, the video will be ready. Thank you.